Hello everyone, this is Priya here. I am back with this new video for you. In this video, I will teach you that how to introduce yourself in English. Firstly, you would have to greet the next person. And there are two kinds of greetings, formal greetings and informal greetings. Suppose you are going to introduce yourself in your friends, in your relatives, then you have to go with the informal greetings. Like you can say, hey, hi, what's up, what's new, how's it going? You can choose any greet type from these informal greetings. Next one is the formal greetings. Suppose you are going to introduce yourself in your school. Suppose you are going to introduce yourself in an interview. Then it would be the formal greeting there. And you could say hello, good morning, good afternoon. It's an honor to meet you. You can choose from these there. So these are some ways to greet some person. Next is your name. How to tell your name in your introduction. In your introduction, you can say that my name is Riya. I am Riya. This is Riya. You can choose any option from these. In these ways, you can introduce your name. Next is your location. Now you have to tell something about your location, that to which place you belong to. Like you can say that if you are from the Amritsar, then you can say that I am from Amritsar. I live in Amritsar. You can also say that I am Indian. Suppose you were born at the different place and you grew up at a different place. There you can say that you can say that I was born in Ludhiana. Suppose you were born in Ludhiana and grew up in Amritsar. You can say that but raised in Amritsar. And if you born and grew up at the same place, you can say that I was born and raised in Jalandhar. The place of that, where the name of that place where you born and where you grew up. So these are some ways you can say about your location. Next is position and company. Suppose you have been doing a job somewhere, and in your introduction you would have to describe your position and company then. These are some examples. Like you can say that I work for the Google in the marketing department. I am a manager at Google. You can use these ways to describe your position and company where you have been working. Next is qualification. You have to talk little about your qualifications while introducing yourself. Like, I have a Bachelor of Arts degree. I am a marketing graduate. I am a biology postgrad. I am currently taking a course in maths. You can also say that I am pursuing this degree. Whichever the degree you are pursuing means doing. So these are some ways of telling about your qualification. Next is your experience. If you are experienced, then you have to mention your experience. Like you can say, I have 5 years of experience in the teaching field. I have worked as a computer operator for 5 years. I have 10 years of sales experience. I have worked in the marketing field for 3 years. So these are some ways you can tell about your experience. Next is talking about your family. You can say that I am from a family of 4. Suppose there are 4 family members you have in your family, then you can say this line, I am from a family of 4. I have a beautiful family of 5. Talking about that how many brothers sisters you are, you can say that I am one of 2 siblings. So in these ways you can talk about your family. Next is hobbies. How to tell about the hobbies. You can say that my favorite hobby is playing outdoor games. You can also say that I am a keen runner. I like traveling. I love to dance. I am interested in reading books. I also like drawing and painting. In these ways, you can describe your hobbies. Next, it is age. Talking about your age. You can say that my age is whatever your age is. You can say, like for an example, my age is 20 years. I am 20 years old. Suppose if you don't want to tell your exact age, then you can mention this line that I am in my mid-20s. Suppose your age is in 20s, like you are 22, 23 or 24, and you don't want to tell your exact age. So there you can say that I am in my mid-20s. Next is fun facts. This is an optional, but you can include in your introduction in the last. In fun fact, you can speak about any of your interesting fear or any weird like or dislike. This is completely an optional. You can add in your introduction. It's depend on you. It's because it's just optional. So this is finally a way how to introduce yourself in English. Like you can say that, good morning everyone, my name is Riya and I am 24 years old, marketing graduate from Ludhiana. I now work as an English teacher and I am a big fan of running and fitness classes. So this is the way how to introduce yourself. If you liked my video, then please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and please click on the bell icon so you will get the updates of the new videos which I will upload time to time. Thank you so much for watching this video.